Hello my friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com, filming today for Cure Joy. And this is Yoga for Men, 7 Essential Poses. And what are some of the reasons why men need to add yoga into their lives? More control, more flexibility, more strength, more power, more endurance, more control, better night's sleep. The list goes on and on and on. So make sure you get a mat, some comfortable clothing, and I want you to comment below which of the 7 poses was your favorite, or if none of those were, is there another one that you like? Comment, put that below. And don't forget to pick up my new book, Power Yoga for Athletes, wherever books are sold by me, Sean Vigue, or go to SeanVigueFitness.com and order it. Have it delivered right to your door at 25% off. All right, let's do some yoga. Pose number 1, downward facing dog. Open your fingers wide. Walk the feet in, arms shoulder width, legs hip width. I recommend holding each of these poses for about 5 to 10 deep breaths in the nose, out the nose. Breathe into your abdominals. This is a fantastic pose for stretching your entire body, especially the hamstrings, the calves, the shoulders, and your back. So as you exhale, sink those heels down or towards the mat. Lengthen those arms, lift your tailbone up with the inhales, and stretch it out. Downward facing dog. Number 2, go into plank position. I love planks. Do them anywhere, anytime. They work your entire body, especially from your core outwards. So hands are on the shoulders, elbows in, pull the shoulders back. If you need to modify the plank, just bring the knees down. So tuck the toes, press the heels back, and pull those hands towards the toes. With each exhale, squeeze your abdominals. I mean, flex them like you're looking in the mirror and you're admiring your abdominals. Number 3 is the pigeon pose. I'll just do it on one side. Make sure you do it on both sides. Bring your right knee in. Open that hip so your feet comes forward a little bit. If you're really tight here, just keep the foot next to the leg. Pigeon is a huge, huge hip opening stretch, as well as your glutes, your knees, your back. You can have the fingers here lifting nice and tall, also stretching your hip flexor in your left leg. Keep it here, or you can walk the hands forward. Shoulders back, forearms down. Popular pose, not a very popular bird. Take some deep breaths and sink into that pose, being right over the center. And number 4 is the extended tree. We got to throw a balance pose in here. So here's what we're going to do. I'll mirror you. Take your left hip, open it up. Take the hands together to heart center, right in the middle of the chest. And take your heel below the knee or above to the inside of the leg. Don't push the heel directly against the knee. Your knee does not like that. Or take the ankle on top of the thigh. Now this is classic tree. I said extended tree. We're going to take the arms up. Try to keep the palms together. Relax your shoulders. Every time you exhale, give those abs a nice squeeze. So we work from the core outward. Balance poses are very deceptive because we're kind of still in the pose, but every muscle must work together to keep the pose. And of course, make sure you do it on both sides. Wink. Number 5, reverse warrior. Let's take your, I'll mirror you again on this one. Take your right hip, open it up, and turn your left foot in so the heel comes down. You want to bend this knee about a right angle. Make sure the knee does not go past the toes. Now for the reverse, we're going to take our arms out. We're going to flip this right hand up. We're going to reach and then up and over. Really powerful stretch all the way down the right side of your body as you stretch that back leg. Oh, I'm tipping. Each exhale, reach back a little further. Powerful in the legs, powerful in the upper body. Reverse warrior. Make sure you do it on both sides. Exhale, reach back. Oh, you can also take this left hand and bring it to your lower back. That's the stuff. All right, number 6, boat pose. It's time to hit the core. So bring those feet in. Take the arms forward, shoulders back and down. If this bothers your tailbone, just roll up your mat a little bit more and place it underneath. You can modify these as needed. So bring the feet up. First half boat, feet together, shoulders down. If you want more, full boat, extend the legs out, arms over the head. Again, hold for 5 to 10 deep breaths. Every time you exhale, squeeze those abdominals. Listen to your body, listen to your lower back. Build that powerful core outward and a whole lot of balance. Boat pose. And finally, number 7. This is a great stretch. Put the finishing touches on this flow. It's called the wide-legged yoga mudra. So bring your feet nice and wide apart. Lace your fingers together behind you. If you can, bring the palms together. You're going to drop those shoulders back and down, opening the chest. And then it's up to you and my dog how far you want to dive down in the pose. So I like to exhale, hinge forward, and then inhale, lift the arms. So take it slow. Keep a little bend in the knees. Should never lock out the joints in these poses. So at your own discretion, this is a massive, massive stretch. You're going to bring the arms back. So you're opening the chest, stretching those tired, tight shoulders. Opening the chest, top of the head towards the floor. The weight goes into the toes. And again, inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, dive, dive. If you feel lightheaded, just come back up. All right, slowly rising back up. Take care, use those abdominals, bring it up. Ooh, yeah. All right, I hope you enjoyed that video, my friends. Make sure you comment below which pose was your favorite. And don't forget to pick up my new book, Power Yoga for Athletes, wherever books are sold, from Fairwinds Press, or go to SeanVigueFitness.com. Order it at 25% off. And you can also download my free fitness app for Apple and Android, also at SeanVigueFitness.com. It's been a pleasure, my friends. We'll see you real soon. Namaste. God bless.